Hello everyone, have you ever bought the shoes and you find this? Like these are $400 shoes, and what they do is they mold these together. They're not glued from the factory. And what happens is you buy them and you can send them out to Mr. Minute or someone to drill it and to glue it together, and hey, it doesn't work. Trust me on that. The best thing to do is just get some polyester cotton, the polyester thread. Right, you only need a little bit. Not that hard to do. And then you get a crochet needle. Right. You push the crochet needle through. Once it's through, get your polyester string. Right. Put it on there and just push it through. Because this is so thick, you really have to push one end all the way through. And there you go. You gotta, if you get both ends all the way through, you gotta have some string here because it's gotta fold, right? Then you get your crochet needle again. There's the crochet needle there. All right. You push that through again. Where is it? There. It goes. Once it goes right through. There you go. All right. Yeah, you put these expensive Nikes and you know, you wash them and all of a sudden they fall apart. You paid $400 for them, and they're really just polyester rubbish. Oh, that didn't take on. Let's do that again. Okay, again, let's connect the string. You gotta get the crochet needle. There we go. Let's push it through. Once it's got it, just push it through. Now, once you get to there, push this through. All right. Then what you do, you tighten. Make sure that's very tight. All right, then you do it again. You get your crochet needle. These are just four little holes. All right, you can glue it. Don't waste your time. The glue doesn't do anything. All right. There is a way to glue them, and you generally just pull that through again. Let's get some help here. This is about the hardest it gets. All right. All right, you're through again. All right, you push the string through again. See that it comes. You're generally just making a continuous knot, or I don't know what you would call it. There you go. See that there? Look at the inside. I'm using blue string so you can see it. I've only got one more to go. All right, get your crochet needle again. Push it through. Use the crochet needle. Can't see at my age. These are beautiful pairs of shoes. You know, people throw them away and they're pretty good shoes. There you go. Again, you grab that and you push it through. This is tough as, it's super tough. Push it right through. This time you're at the end. Alright, you push it right through. Right, you come to here now, what you do, it's quite simple. You do a knot. All right. And do another knot. And then what you do, you need a lighter to burn it. I don't have a lighter now, I'll burn it later. All right. Now, look at this. You'll never get it apart. Now, I've got this section to do